Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I will discuss strokes of a Chinese character. The character which we will discuss today is xue, and I will tell you about the names of the strokes used in this character, and I will also tell you about the directions of the writing of this character. So let's get started. 我们开始吧. The character is This is a very common character in Chinese, and the pinyin of this character is xue, 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 xue. Xue means to, it's a verb, to learn, to learn, to learn. Xue means to learn. Now let's get to know about the names of the strokes which are used in this character. And the first stroke is this one. So first we will get to know about the direction. So the direction is just like this, and it is known as dian. Dian. Dian means dot. Dian means dot. So you know the direction of dian now. So whenever you see a dian like this, you will follow this direction. Now let's see, this was the first stroke. Now look at the second stroke. The second stroke is also dian, and the direction is the same, and it is a dot. Now the third stroke. The third stroke is this one, and you can see the direction is just like this, and this one is known as pie, pie, and pie is left, left falling, left falling stroke, left falling stroke. Now the fourth one is dian. Dian. The direction of this dian is different. There are different types of dian. So we have observed two types of dians in this character. Previously the first and second dians, and now this one. But the direction of this dian is different, and this is also known as dot. The fifth stroke is this one, and you can easily determine the direction of this, and this one is known as heng gou, heng gou, heng gou, horizontal hook. It's a hook, it's like a hook, horizontal hook. Now the sixth one is the same, and it is also the same direction, and this one is also known as heng gou, heng gou, horizontal hook, horizontal hook. And the seventh one is this, and the direction is like this, and this one is known as shu gou, shu gou, shu gou, vertical hook, vertical hook. And the final one is this, and the direction is this, and this one is known as heng, and this is horizontal stroke. So we learned today that the character 学 consists of 8 strokes. 8 strokes, and this character is also associated with the other characters we will learn in Chinese. 学 学习学习学习 means to study. To study. Second one is 大学 means university. So this was all for today. I hope that you have learned new information about some strokes, its names, and the writings, directions of these strokes. So we will meet with each other in next video. Till then, we will see each other, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep supporting us, and we will bring you more exciting information about Chinese language. See you.